So, what's in my bag? So, the first one is this 3-in-1 power bank, flashlight, and a fan that you can use whenever a disaster happens, syempre. So, the next one is food, a canned goods so you can eat. And after that is, of course, if you have a power bank, you have a charger. So, of course, you also need a water. So, you need water. Siyempre, magbibigay siya ng lakas for you. So, also, ito din yung mga medical needs natin, especially itong mga gamot. Lahat sila meron na dito, which is yung paracetamol, for ubo, and basta sa may sakit. So, everything is nandito na. Meron din siyang diatabs. So, pananakit lang dyan. And yung expiry date pala nila all is kakabili lang or last month. So, I checked na yung iba sa kanila is mag-expire pa in 2 to 3 years. So, the next one is here, our first aid kit bags. What's in my first aid kit bag? So, you have everything you need in a first aid kit bag here. So, the first one is, we have a BP, which is a blood measuring tool. The next one is a elastic bandage. So, pag na-injury ka ng malala, you can use this para ma-stop yung bleeding. And the next one is, which is one of the most important, is hydrogen peroxide or agua oxygenata. So, this can be used sa mga sugat and lalo na makil yung bacteria, lalo na kapag kunwari sumulong ka sa baha, natusok ka, so avoid tetano and walang bacteria, so you can use this. So, this is some of the meron din tayong surgical gloves. So, also, lalo na kapag kunwari may earthquake, meron din tayong face mask. And also, meron pa din tayong sterilized iPad, so whenever what happened to your eye, syempre, meron din tayong pantakip sa mata mo. And also, syempre, meron tayong band-aid. And also, meron din tayong thermometer para makita kung may sakit ba tayo. After that, so meron din akong tape measure which can be used din, which is very useful naman din. So after that, meron din tayong ball pen. So pang sulat siya. And meron din tayong pan-check, which is meron siyang flashlight din, which can be used for your ears and check sa bunganga whenever what happened. After that, meron pa ulit tayo sa pang betadine. So, that's it for my emergency go bag. And also, may isa pa tayong bagay na kulang na wala, which is the whistle na partner ng flashlight. So, ang whistle kasi is mostly used for kunwari, na-trap ka, you can use your whistle para to call attention and get some help. So, wala ako since sarado na yung mga tindahan and it's late night na din naman kasi. So, the next one is also clothes. So, you need clothes para syempre, pamalit ka. After that, so sa bag ko, so, ito yung mukha ng mga documents ko since ang kailangan mong protektahan is yung documents mo since meron ako ditong IDs, passports, and other documents na importante, which is ayaw mo siyang masira and syempre nakalagay siya sa hardcover para hindi siya agad ma-destroy whenever what happens. So also, the last one na kailangan natin is to survive din. also need our wallets, monies, and our cards. So, syempre, kailangan natin ng pera also to survive din naman. Kasi we can also buy foods. Malay mo, masira yung bahay nyo. Wala ka nang pagkanohan. Diba? At least makakabili ka ng damit mo. Ganito, ganyan. Masira yung gamit. Okay. So, that will be it for my emergency go bag. So, I hope you all like it. That's it. Thank you.